Yo, what's up? We're gonna make a beat using Omnisphere and a drum rack. Let's go. Okay, cool. So we're gonna start with just a beat. Yeah. Like this one. This creates like some kind of something simple that I can still build harmony around. It's not really a melody, but it's a vibe. Let's filter that. Whee! Cool. Cool, I have that loop going. Grab this one, bring it to the beginning. Yeah. Let's work on the second one. So it's like need something. Woo! Okay, I see what's happening with this. This is a vibe. Some reverb. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna double this one because this is a really great intro. And I'm gonna add some bass to this. So like something is there, not fully, this note. So the mic say a certain echo on. Okay, we can double that definitely and make some kind of a progress here. Now we need a little bit of a clap into this one, so we can double it and then do something with the percussions actually. I want this saturate. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to record this sequence. I'm going to launch everything. I have them all ready here. Okay, that's a wrap for this beat. Hope you enjoyed. Keep making music. I'll see you next time, and thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.